Oh my god. Y'all hear that? Hold up. There's literally someone right here on the side of me. I feel so embarrassed. I'm talking to myself. Oh, wow. Ah, ¿para qué le bajas?
Porque no alcanzo a ver.
It's cold. I'm gonna change. Today is Thursday. Right now it is 11:27, and like I said, it's cold today. What the f is 57? I mean, yeah, 57 degrees. This one? What this one? This one is so warm. Okay, I'm gonna change, and my greñero is gonna be a little bit more good. My hair's tickled. Ow. Tomorrow is Friday. Oh, I know, like, I'm putting my shoes. I'm gonna look for some socks. I think I'm gonna just go with this because I literally don't have any pair. That's what I need to do. I need to buy socks. I'm gonna wear these. This room is so tight and lighty. We're good to go. Oh my god. I almost dropped my whole ass vanity. I've been needing a buffer, for months. I don't know if I should put some makeup on. I'll probably just take my makeup. Let's take this. Smells so good. Phone, all this. I don't even have batteries for this. I'll put some of this. This is like an eye revive serum thing. Okay, let's go. Gustavo's waiting for me. Hello. Damn, I still feel tired as
Making some.
me too. I'm concerned. Putting some Vaseline on my legs. It is so cloudy. Yeah, my parents didn't work today because of course like it f***ing rained last night. I can't see shit. You can't even see the clouds.
How are you?
So he got off here at the clinic. He's picking up his grandma's medication or medicine. I mean, well, I mean, I guess it's the same thing. But anyway, we're gonna go also pick up his brother, and then we're gonna go to his grandma's, pick her up, and take her to Gustavo's mom's house. She isn't feeling good. She's literally the same way that I am from my period. That I'm really irregular, heavy as fuck. She's literally like that, but she's like 10 times worse than me. I bet. Cause at least when I have it, I don't have any cramp, like at all. Like I haven't had cramps for like years. I have, or actually, but the downside is that it's really fucking heavy. But yeah, I'm just putting my makeup right now. I forgot to bring a sponge. I've been trying to fix this shit for the longest time. That's why I take pills, iron pills, because they actually help me. It's sprinkling. Yo, it started to rain. Gustavo still isn't out. It's gonna be so surprising. I'm gonna be like, what the fuck? It wasn't not raining and now it's raining. Damn, this weather is so bipolar. Shit, this whole week has been raining. It sucks because, let's be fucking honest, my parents work in the fields. When it rains, they don't work. Like today. I mean, but I always say things happen for a reason, you know. But you can't even see me. I'm so dry. I did not moisturize when I washed my face the other day. Because I don't really wash my face every day. Because if I do, I just feel like it dries it up more. Pero los contamos. Yo, it's hella raining now. Y'all hear that? Hold up. Oh, now me literally just using lip liners and not lipsticks or nothing. No lip gloss. There's literally someone right here on the side of me. I feel so embarrassed. I'm talking to myself. Ow! Oh, he's coming. He's coming. Wait, that's what I was gonna tell you. Look at it. It's hella fucking. Bruh. Look at that. I only love my bed and my mom. I'm sorry. 50 times. Y'all, it's hella rainy. Look at that. Oh my god, it's so much fucking harder over here. Oh, wow. Oh my god. OMG, clase G63. It is fucking raining so hard. I've never seen it like this. What the fuck? I got scared for like a second. Unas gotototas. Yeah, my parents are not working tomorrow for sure. Ochatos. It's already flooding right there. Look at all the charquitos. Or charcote, más bien. It's more calm over here. You see the difference? It was not like this back there. Sometimes I don't wanna be happy. I wish I knew it was me. Look at the clouds. That's scary. And we arrived. I'm not getting off. No nos daban un beso ni despedida ni nada. ¿Qué te pasa algo? I'm hungry. I'm so hungry. It's not even that late to be honest. We didn't wake up that late. I usually would. I would be waking up like a fucking 1. But right now it's 12. Y'all look at they cutting a tree in the back. Look, y'all see y'all here. So we were gonna pick up his grandma. We got there and we called her like, oh, we're here outside. They already took her. Okay. And now we're gonna get something to eat because I'm so hungry. Mira, se cayó la señora. Oh my gosh.
¿Feo, verdad?
Sí, se cayó bien feo. Oh my gosh, she hella fell. Mira, mira. Otra vez. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna cry.
¿Y este güey que no le corre? ¿Ya la paró? Si no puede ayudarlo. ¿Sí puede?
No sé si puede, a ver. Oh, ya la paró. Her cane was like slipping.
Sí se lastimó bien feo.
Sí, I'm literally gonna fucking cry. What the fuck? Pobrecita.
Yo no miré cuando se cayó, nomás cuando miré cuando ya estaba en el suelo. Mira.
No, yo sí miré. I saw her when she fell. Se cayó bien recio. Literally crying.
Who's driving this bus?
Oh my gosh, no thank you. Oh, not me crying because the lady fell. Bye bye. So, I'll see you guys when we have the food and when we're going to his mom's. This fucking shit is hella dirty. There's nothing to do about it. This weather is so fucking bipolar as fuck. It is 64 degrees. In the car it feels a little more hot though. I need to sneeze, but I don't get allergies. Oh my gosh. Hey lady. ¿Para qué le bajas?
Porque no alcanzo a ver.
I'm getting allergies! Okay. I look like shit, feel like shit, I am shit. I'm so sick. Slowly getting worse by the day. Yesterday I woke up and I was like, oh fuck no, I know I'm getting sick. I don't know what I have. Allergies, flu. It ain't it. So yesterday, I think yesterday was when I said that I was sick. I'm still sick. I woke up because I took like a nap, like a 4-hour nap. When I woke up, I had like a really raspy voice. I literally sound like a man. I feel so much better from yesterday. Yesterday I felt like shit. But today I feel so much better. Just can't really hear. And I still feel like stuff. But that's about it. I don't feel anything else. So hopefully tomorrow I'm so much better. Right now I'm trying to finish the freaking video from the Bessa Pluma live event and stuff. Of course it wasn't just Bessa Pluma. It was like other artists and stuff. But the main person there was supposed to puma and marcamepe. But anyway, because the reason I didn't edit yesterday, I did some, that was it. I didn't edit anymore because I just was not feeling good. And I even had like fever and stuff. And Gustav was in here. He went with his mom to the mall. I didn't want to go because I just fell asleep. I was so tired. I wasn't feeling good this morning, and that's why I took a fat ass nap. He hasn't came home, but he literally called me like a while ago and told me that he was like an hour away. Like he was gonna be here in an hour. I'm just waiting for him to come because I miss him. And he was calling me. He called me 5 times. I was so slumped. Anyway, I literally feel like I'm talking very low because I can't fucking hear myself like that good. I sound like a literal man. The good thing though that when I took a shower yesterday, I felt so much better. Like it opened my nostrils. I'm just very thirsty, like super thirsty, and I'm also like not on my period. I think it always plays games with me. I don't know why. Okay, I'll see you guys maybe when Gustav was here, or let you know if I finished the video today or with Vig. My mom brought me rice from, because you know how Sundays we usually go to my grandma's. I wanted to go, but my dad didn't want to pick me up, and Gustav wasn't here, so he could take me. And walking was just, by the time I got there they were already gonna come. Literally, I was just hungry. That's the only reason why I wanted to go, because I was so hungry, and of course to see everybody there. But my mom brought me just rice because there was nothing else, and she brought me like the bell peppers that were in the fajitas, and then I got myself a pepper sauce. And that is the evidence that I ate. I also ate the turbos from I think like 2 days ago, maybe yesterday. I literally only ate 3 and that was it. I was like, no, I cannot do spicy right now, my sinus shit, but fucking do myself. Yeah, I'll see you guys later. Later.